Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Monster Hunter error code EA_19E18. The error reads, "A communication error has occurred." As per our research, the error shows up when players try to play co-op across platforms. It prevents players from sending or receiving invites, friend requests, or even joining each other's sessions, even when on the same network. According to our research, the issue is likely caused by privacy settings or multiplayer restrictions on the Xbox console. First, restart your device along with your router. After that, check if your game and device firmware are updated to the latest version. If everything is up to date but the error continues, then go to your Xbox privacy settings and make sure you are allowed to send and receive invites with everyone on cross-platform titles. This has helped many users fix the invite, friend request and follow issues. To do this, go to Profile and System, then select Settings, then select Account, then select Privacy and Online Safety Settings. Then, under Xbox Privacy, select View Details, then select Communication and Multiplayer and set everything to all ages. After adjusting these settings, restart your console and check for the error. If nothing works, try using a private lobby as a workaround. Have one player post a quest in the lobby and the other player can search for and join it. This method has helped players continue playing together despite the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.